What would you recommend for optimizing DSAs? And DSAs are dynamic search ads, and these are one of my favorite ones because if they are set up properly and optimized correctly, they can really scale your campaigns and get you impressions, clicks, and conversions which you never thought before. So here's my handful of optimizing tips. So create dynamic search ad targeting groups rather than your user behavior. So you have got your targeting groups pre-built in the DSA when you're trying to set up the campaign. So do that. Then you exclude traffic you don't want to be captured by your DSA campaign. And this is particularly um, important for e-commerce stores. So any non what we call the non-money page or the non-transactional page, right? Where people are not buying anything. So pages like blogs, privacy page, terms and conditions, contact, about, you don't want them be indexed by the DSA campaign. So you can exclude them as negatives. And then only the product pages will be indexed. So any kind of non-transactional or non-money page on your blog, on your website, put them up as negative. So you exclude them from the DSA campaign. Optimize your site. So create compelling page titles, descriptions, and keywords so that Google can read your page and it knows exactly what your page is all about. Maximize results by combining DSA with auto bidding and RLSA. And this is remarketing list for search ads. Very few people do this and know how to do this properly. So you can get some great results by using smart bidding with your DSA campaign and layer it with the RLSA onto the DSA. And that's my top tips on how to optimize your dynamic search ads.